But
Good morning. I'm Peter Both. I'm a trainee. I came here to Dubai to attend training on certified occupational health and safety for rigs. I'm really blessed having my facilitator, Mr. Raj. Raj is a vast and knowledgeable person whom I met here in UAE. So I would like to encourage everybody to come and attend many trainings. This guy is actually a corporate global facilitator. You cannot get it anywhere. So please, if you come and join him, you will learn a lot. He's a zeal guy. He has many experience, and then he can just give you anything you need on that subject matter you are coming for. I would like to also encourage and thank Madam Vicky as well as my brother Ivan here, who actually facilitate this training successfully. So this time around, I believe you guys, you will learn a lot of people from South Sudan and also globally. So you guys, you continue doing that excellent work. Thank you.